to take the stories of other people and, oh yeah, maybe that is who I am. Based off where we grew up, based off our environment. It's easy to take those stories instead of really digging deep and asking yourself that question. How many people found it hard to even think of words? Right? In that sense, like, well, I don't even know that many positive words. I don't know. I mean, so I just go with the words that I hear. Maybe I am a liar. Maybe I am a hypocrite. Is it? Right? And me even acknowledging that is vulnerable and honest. But is that the story that I want to tell? If so, own that thing. But if not, we have to really dig deeper. Okay? Why was it hard? Easy, hard. Somebody else. Yes.
Nobody really asked you, who are you?
Okay. Anybody get asked that today before the workshop or last week?
No.
What?
Who are you? Did anybody ask you that?
No.
No? Okay. But if we're not asked, could we ask ourselves?
Yep.
Are we still looking for other people to validate us? Are we still looking for other people to tell our story?
No.
Okay. What is the self-discovery of the you versus you battle that we're all dealing with? Okay, so everybody get a piece of paper out.